Right, so I just got this in the mail. The Nawya Replicas slider sonic screwdriver by the 10th Doctors. Now, I have two issues with it. Well, first of all, it looks great. Crackling looks really good. It is a bit big on the button and down here, but I mean, it's awesome. It looks really good. Here it is next to the 9th Doctor's head, or the emitter. The windows are a bit smaller, and this lip right up here is also a bit smaller, and the dome is a bit more domey. This piece, I think all of it is new. Maybe the collar is the same. The body, line that up, is new, smaller. This is new. I think this end cap, I think they're the same. Pretty sure they're the exact same. Are they? Ooh, maybe they're not. This one protrudes out like that. Maybe this one's just a bad copy, I don't know. No, I don't think so. Yeah, there's a new piece as well, I think. Okay, that was cool. Anyway, here are my two problems with it. Here, this functions, but this doesn't have any batteries in it. And it's a whole other battery. It's a it's a quadruple A battery. And it says battery included. But there's no battery anywhere on the packaging. You open it, I mean, get this out of the way. There's no battery anywhere. I've taken all of it out. I've taken this out. I've even removed this foam pad right here. Nothing. But, I mean, it comes from China. So, I mean, I wasn't really expecting there to be batteries. I mean, all of my other Nawya Sonics have come with batteries. Like, why would it say batteries included? Anyway. My second problem is, let's go into this, about the mess, is that the emitter spins. And if I screw it all the way, the teeth don't line up. So when they're lined up, it's always wiggling. But also the wire is not at all straight. But here it is. This is how it works. And it's kind of cool to see that. See what it's like inside. But not very cool that it doesn't really, I mean, and this, I try to unscrew it, but you can't move this. I try to move the collar piece, like, with it, but it doesn't work either. So I think I might just super glue on the threads and, like, screw it on. I can screw it on. Come on. Screw it on, and then just hold it like that, and, like, just wait, so then it's stuck like that. But yeah, I don't know. Do I recommend this? I would wait, maybe wait like a few weeks to buy it, till more reviews come out. Maybe they're gonna have maybe there are some problems with early versions, like I have mine. Some people's have been rattling down here, and like, It is loose, but mine isn't rattling at all. It's only the head that's spinning. And you can see the LED. So yeah, be careful. Fantastic. All right, that's it. Bye-bye.